In order to get out the maze of your brain, hedge maze, you must understand logic, thinking, or rationale is going to keep you stuck, lost, and trapped in the hedge.
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
We must pay homage to him.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. The Shining. And Dr. Sleep. Decoded.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
Jack Torrance becomes winter caretaker at the isolated Overlook Hotel in Colorado. Hoping to cure his writer's block, he settles in along with his wife, Wendy, and his son, Danny, who is plagued by psychic premonitions. As Jack's writing goes nowhere and Dan's visions becoming more disturbing, Jack discovers the hotel's dark secrets and begins to unravel into a homicidal maniac hell-bent on terrorizing his family. Fast forward today. Struggling with alcoholism, Dan Torrance remains traumatized by the sinister events that occurred at the Overlook Hotel when he was a child. His hope for a peaceful existence soon becomes shattered when he meets Abra, a teen who shares his extrasensory gift of the shine. Together they form an unlikely alliance to battle the True Knots, a cult whose members try to feed off the shine of innocence to become immortal. Kundalini energy. Just like force energy and or steam is our creative fire, the energy inside our body that's supposed to flow up and down, giving us these enlightened thoughts, creativity, prophetic messages from the other side, of course, like speaking to your ancestors or anyone, hearing people's subconscious mind, and much, much, much more. The problem is, this energy lies dormant in today's average person, the people with no quote-unquote shine. These people with the shine can be seen as people that have gotten their Kundalini energy to raise and are expressing themselves with mystical powers. In The Shining, Jack was supposed to kill off his son, so the spirits in the hotel can feed off of Danny's free-flowing energy. Danny was seeing all these premonitions come into place as his shine was starting to come on board. Dan, as a young boy, is experiencing seeing spirits and feeling their pain. When you're communicating with different entities or people that lived on Earth, they're mainly going to come through feelings, dreams, and or symbols. That's why it's so important to practice decoding these movies, so your ancestors on the other side messages can't be construed. The black guy was not only a symbol of all melanin beings having this energy, he was a marker of how we have the ability to access it easier than most. As they show you here, the Great Mother is on his crown, and we all come from her.
Boom.
The True Knots are a cult of people that want never-ending life, as Knot in Egyptian culture means infinity or forever going. So the True Knots, these energy vampires, want to live and thrive off of potential energies of light. That's why it was mainly children with the shine. Their innocence and being pure of heart is just a symbol of you having to be this childlike spirit.
Okay.
Heart chakra is not wounded. No wounded child. So the Kundalini energy can flow freely. They were taking their innocence and kept feeding off of people's life force energy. Kundalini to live on as they died off. In The Shining, the Overlook Hotel was overlooked like the aspect of yourself you don't quite let people in on. You suppress or keep hidden. It lays in that mechanism of you that controls your whole reality. It's how spirits communicate with you and how you communicate to your true self, your higher self. Subconscious mind. In order to get out the maze of your brain, hedge maze, you must understand logic, thinking, or rationale is going to keep you stuck, lost, and trapped in the hedge. If you want to get an edge, subconscious mind, spirit is what you have to go for. But you have to battle your fear and know that some spirits are trying to help you, while others might be trying to trick you.
Gotcha, bitch!
So Dan, as a young boy, is having these premonitions, these spiritual messages, these feelings come to him. Have you ever woke up from a dream and the feeling be laying on you thick? Well, that's your higher self or someone from the other side communicating with you through their feeling system and the symbols in your dreams. Like I said, common sense, rationale, logic, throw that shit out the window. Everybody's communication is going to be different, and your truth is going to be your truth. A sense of knowing is what I'm trying to convey. And the knowing only comes with you getting out of your own way and understanding that these emotions, energy and motion, are trying to relay something to you in a way that you will understand that can help you on your journey.
Message!
As in Dr. Sleep, Abra was feeling the pain of Baseball Boy and the pain he was experiencing as they were feeding off of him. Abra and Dan were able to communicate over Dan's black wall. His landlord put up 85 there, just representing the 13 or the middle point, Christ consciousness, the shine within them. That's within you. Let it shine. Let it shine. Just let your soul glow. Letting your soul glow is letting that shine out. And in order to shine fully, you must have a warrior spirit like Abra and let these true knots know that this is your birthright. This is who you are. And you trying to steal my energy, I'm going to fight for mine.
Toasty!
As in Dan's case, he had to go back to the Overlook Hotel, the part of his subconscious mind that was being overlooked, and finish off what he left behind. His father. His father, or traumas that was leading him into a life of alcoholism. Once he became sober and with a great mother by his side, Abra, magic. Abra, cadabra. He was able to confront that overlooked part of himself, killing him off and destroying that aspect of himself that he was running away from so long. His right to shine. Dream wise.